In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically clear browsing data when you close Google Chrome. While Chrome doesn't include a built-in option to automatically delete your entire browsing history on exit, it does let you automatically clear cookies and other site data each time you close the browser. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click Privacy and Security from the menu on the left. Next, select Site Settings. Scroll down and click Additional Content Settings, then select On-Device Site Data. Turn on the option labeled Delete Data Sites have saved to your device when you close all windows. Once this setting is enabled, Chrome will automatically remove cookies and other site data whenever you completely close the browser. If there are websites you want to stay signed in to, click Add next to the sites that are allowed to keep their data. Enter the website address and save the exception. Chrome will preserve data for those sites while clearing data for the others. Keep in mind that this feature clears site data such as cookies, but it does not automatically delete your browsing history, download history, or cached files when Chrome closes. If you want to remove those items, you'll need to use Delete Browsing Data manually or use a trusted third-party extension that supports automatic cleanup. After enabling the setting, close all Chrome windows and reopen the browser. Site data for websites that aren't on your exception list will have been cleared automatically. That's how to automatically clear browsing data on exit in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.